bitaw. Bitaw. And then, Ate Rona. Ate Rona. Punta ka sa gitna. Lahat ng gagawin ni Ate Rona, gagayahin nyo. Okay, Jolly Kids? Ayan. Lahat ng step na gagawin ni Ate Rona, gagayahin nyo. Ang first step namin dito sa Jollibee Calento, balance up. Itaas ang dalawang kamay, salikasikin sa kanila. Yan. Itaas ang dalawang kamay, and then, shake your body. Shake your body, shake your body, shake your body, shake your body, shake your body. Ang second step is yung ang pangalawa sa favorite ni Jollibee, ang 8-8. Ilagay ang dalawang kamay sa tuhod and do the 8-8. 8-8-8. 8-8-8-8-8. Ang third step, yung pinaka-favorite ni Jollibee na step, ang wiggle-wiggle or kembot-kembot. Ilagay ang dalawang kamay sa bewa and do the kembot-kembot. Kembot-kembot-kembot. Kembot-kembot-kembot and shake your body, shake your body, shake your body, shake your body. 8-8-8. 8-8-8. Wow, very good, Jolly Kids. Dahil dyan, okay, clap your hands muna, clap your hands. Ayan, okay, very good. Dahil dyan, sasabayan na natin siya ng my music. 8-8-8, 8-8-8, and shake your body, shake your body, shake your body, kembot, 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 8-8-8, 8-8-8, and kembot, 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 shake your body, shake your body, shake your body, 8-8-8, 8-8-8, wow. Ang gagaling mag 8-8, mag kembot, at mag-shape ng body mga Jolly Kids natin ngayon. Okay. Ang first game natin is what we call the boat is sinking or group yourselves. Okay, explain sa inyo ni Ate Rana yung mechanics ng game. I-explain sa inyo ni Ate Rana paano yung mechanics ng game.
Okay, the boat is sinking. Pag sinabi namin, the boat is sinking, ang isisigaw natin, help. Okay, example, the boat is sinking. Okay, yung mas malakas. The boat is sinking. Okay, drop yourself into two. Two, hanap ng partner. Ayan. Siyempre, magka-dance muna tayo bago mag-play. Okay, hiwalay na. Hiwalay na. Okay na, magda-dance ha. Okay, the boat is sinking. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into one. 1, 3. 3. Okay, sino wala? Si Kuya Austin and Ate Sub. Okay, sino muna tayo sa kanya. Okay, that's the leg. Huwag tayo dito. The boat is sinking. Ito 5.
One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five. Opo, ayan. Sit down ka nila. Kawawa ka naman. Naiipit ka eh. Ayan, sit down ka na lang. Sit down. Saan ka nakaupo? Dito.
Kawawa naman, naipit.
O, sit down ka doon. Saan ka nakaupo? Diyan ka na lang.